Chanjeri welcomes very beautiful, highly talented and gorgeous Sohali Khan to the campus. Welcome to CC Chanjeri campus, ma'am. We're honored to have you here.
Thank you so much.
Firstly, I must compliment you. You were looking very beautiful as a Punjaban in the movie.
Thank you.
But being non-Punjabi, did you find any difficulty while learning Punjabi tradition for the movie?
से टूटा भरम अपना लूटा ये समझे थे हम कि वतन है हमारा तुम्हारा.
It's actually a Hindi film, so we decided the characters should speak mainly in Hindi, and also because the film is set in Delhi, we thought that will also be a good thing to do to make it more accessible to. We want everyone in the world to see this film. Lekin phir bhi a little bit of a Punjabi flavor that we wanted to bring in. We brought in terms of the diction, the accent. Visually, of course, there's a whole costume department that sits on it in terms of makeup and hair and styling, and to get the 1980s look correct, and then to play a Sardarni, the hair especially, and the clothing and the kind of print patyalas that they used to wear in the 1980s. So a lot of people working on that, and I think when you see the film, I think I look like a Sardarni.
You're completely looking like a very graceful Punjaban in the movie.
I hope so. I hope people accept me in that character. It's actually a real life character, Tejinder Kaur, and I think also people will be transported to the 1980s.
ये समझे थे हम कि ये घर है हमारा तुम्हारा. ये जिंदा चिताएं ये मुर्दा दुआएं कहीं तीर नश्तर कहीं चीखो आहें कि इंसान से इंसान ही बचता फिरे मारा मारा.
Anything that you want to add on about the movie?
I just want to say that it's a very, it's a film that's close to my heart, and I understand it's a real life incident that happened in history 32 years ago, and as Vajpayee said, it was a big blot on Indian history. A film like this hasn't been made in mainstream Bollywood up until now, and I think that it's a difficult film to make. But it's made with a lot of love, so I hope that people accept it with that same amount of love.
If we talk about this movie is like based on 1984, which is a very sensitive issue for the people of Punjab. So did you find any difficulties while presenting this movie on a big screen?
सूत्रों के अनुसार प्रधानमंत्री श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी को उनके अपने ही बॉडीगार्ड से गोली मारकर जख्मी कर दिया. उनके निजी सुरक्षा कर्मियों ने इस दिल से हिला देने वाली घटना को अंजाम. बताया जा रहा है कि हमलावरों ने सिख धर्म के नारे लगाते हुए गोलियां बरसाई.
Yes, the producer faced a few problems in terms of the censor. It was stuck with the censor board for about 8 or 9 months. There were a couple of incidents on set also, when one night I think some people came and they broke the set and then they had to rebuild the set. But on the whole, we got a lot of support from the people of Punjab. We shot this film in Ludhiana. We stayed there for a month and a half, and they really adopted us. This village outside of Ludhiana called Gungrana. So it was, as you said, it's a film that's very sensitive. It's very close to the hearts of the people of Punjab, the Sikh community. But beyond that, I think for all Indians, it's very important. Especially most of your students, of course, are
They must
young.
not be aware about
They
the
were not
things.
aware, maybe.
This is the right way.
That's why to learn a little bit of what happened, I think it will be worthwhile to see this film.
If we talk about Sohali Khan, you were doing very different characters before that. When the script came to you, what was the main reason behind acceptance of the script? Why you accepted it?
I think for me, as an actor, the challenge is to do a good role and to be a part of a film that has a meaty role where you feel at the end of the film people will remember you, will appreciate your performance. So I've got all of those ingredients in this film.
Fine. Let's talk about Punjab now. You were in the Punjab for the shooting of this movie. So any of the sweet memories, sweet incidents of Punjab that you want to share with us?
Again, I mean, I love Punjab as a place. I've always said that as beautiful as...
Where you visited in Punjab?
I've been to Ludhiana, I've been to Amritsar, I've been to Jalandhar, today we're in Chandigarh. So I've been to quite a few places in Punjab. I grew up in Delhi also, so we would always drive through Chandigarh and go to Kasoli and Shimla and places like that as well. My father's played a lot of cricket in, Mohali, and yeah, of course.
So you have certain kind of memories of Punjab.
I have lots of memories of Punjab, and everybody knows about the lethal food in Punjab. और सब कुछ में मक्खन डलता है, चाय भी मांगो तो उसमें भी मक्खन डालते हैं मुझे लगता है।
चाय में भी घी, they put ghee in the chai.
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
लेकिन there's so much love and so much warmth and everybody has such a big heart
Yeah.
कि जो कुछ है वो सब दे देते हैं,
Punjabis are primarily
अपने घरों
known
को
for
खोल
it,
देते हैं,
for
really.
their heart.
Very, very generous people.
So, if I talk about one thing that many of our students want to pursue their career in acting, so any advice that you want to give to our students if they want to pursue their career in Bollywood?
It's difficult. There's lots of competition, especially for girls and boys. Now it's become equal. It's not just कि आप star kid हो तो आपको मौके मिलेंगे. Talent का respect किया जाता है, लेकिन auditions करना, director से मिलना मुश्किल है. I know that's not very romantic, लेकिन मैं हमेशा life में एक plan भी रखती हूँ. सबसे पहले finish your education. It's important to have a college degree because इसके बाद भी कुछ और करना ज़रूरी है. As a female actor, you do have a shelf life. मैं भी सोच रही हूँ कि मेरा अगला प्लान क्या होगा. So it's important to have a plan B, study hard, and then follow your dreams, give it your best shot. I really think it's the most beautiful profession in the world, but it is competitive and you have to have a tough skin because many hearts are broken. जिस जिम में मैं जाती हूँ बॉम्बे में, वहाँ पे हर कोई एक्टर बनना चाहता है, हर कोई नहीं बन सकता है, उसकी कोई वजह भी नहीं है. और it's not कि there's no reason why people make it and people don't. So I would say that don't lose hope. If you're struggling, struggle तो इंडस्ट्री में सबसे बड़ा वर्ड है, सब स्ट्रगल करते हैं. But at the end of the day, there's a light at the end of the tunnel.
So, student of the series lady, please focus on your studies first if you want to pursue the career in Bollywood. So, ma'am, lastly, any appeal to our students? Any message to our students?
No, just I'm very jealous of students. I had my the best time of my life when I was a student, constantly researching, reading, playing, making friends. So enjoy yourself. Don't get too bogged down. मुझे पता है बहुत exams हैं और बहुत pressure है, but take some time out to watch a film once in a while, especially on the 7th of October.
सिख कौम हिंदू धर्म की रक्षा के लिए बनी थी. उस कौम ने हमारे देश और धर्म के लिए बलिदान दिया है.
ये समझे
क्या हर सरदार इंदिरा गांधी का हत्यारा?
All right, thank you so much. We have Soha Ali Khan with us. We wish you very luck for the movie, ma'am. Seriously, Sinjari knows this movie will set a very high standard in the Bollywood. Thank you so much for your valuable time.
Thank you very much. Thank you.